Good morning everyone. I am Akul Gupta from Thapa University, Patiala, Punjab. I just completed my second year and I did my training from ONGC, Noida on switching and routing in networking. There I worked on the software Cisco Packet Tracer version 6.0.1. There I learned the basic concepts of networking like ARP, switching, routing, which included flooding, filtering, and learning, and also setting up LANs and configuring and setting up VLANs. Now let's go on with the software. Now I'll make some basic connections. A PC, a switch, and a server. Now I'll name them with their IPs. Now I've just named them. Now I'll configure the IPs. Configure fast Ethernet, the subnet mask, the same way the server, subnet mask. Now we'll connect these using copper straight through. Now we'll wait for the links to turn green. Now as the links are green, the connections are made. Let's check. Desktop, command prompt. We'll ping the server from the PC. As we can see the reply from the server, this means that the PC and the server are connected. In such a way you can connect as many PCs and servers as you want in any network of your choice or as per requirement, and you can make the connections. Now let's set up a VLAN. So here I have 4 PCs with their IP addresses written, and also the VLANs in which they are. These two are in VLAN 10, these two in VLAN 20, and I have also configured these PCs beforehand with the IP addresses. Now let's put some switches. Now we'll trunk from switch to switch. To connect switch from switch to switch, we use crossover cables, port 1 to port 1 and port 2 fast Ethernet to port 1. Now as switch 0 is connected to 1 and 2 through ports 1 and 2, and both the switch 1 and 2 are connected to the switch 0 through port 1 each. Now we'll connect the PCs to the switches. Fast Ethernet, say port 6, fast Ethernet port 11. In the same way, fast Ethernet port 6, fast Ethernet port 11. Now we'll make the switch, the VLANs. Click the switch 0, command line interface, enable. This makes us enable into the privilege mode. Now configure. Now we enter into the global configuration mode. Now let's make some VLANs. VLAN 10 name, we'll name it as lab 1, lab 1. Now the next one, VLAN 20, we'll name it as lab 2. Now we'll exit from the configuration mode, VLAN configuration mode and the global configuration mode. Now we'll save our settings. We'll choose the default name. Now our settings have been saved. Let's see. Here you can see VLAN 10 with the name lab 1 and VLAN 20 with the name lab 2 have been active. Now we'll open the switch 0, command line interface, enable as before, that's the short form, interface range fast Ethernet 0 slash comma. I'll now configure all the fast Ethernet ports from 6 to 10 at once. I'll make them access ports. For VLAN 10, using the up arrow, same for VLAN 20 from 11 to 7, VLAN mode access set to VLAN 20 for proper setup. Now I'll exit the range, I'll exit the configuration mode. Now our VLANs have been set and the ports have been designated. Let's check. So here you can see VLAN 10 name lab 1 has ports 6 to 10 assigned, VLAN 20 has ports 11 to 17 assigned. Similarly, you can set up VLANs using routers too. So that's the basic I have learned. There are many more things to it which I may refer to in my subsequent videos. And as far as my training experience is concerned, I had a great amount of experience. I gained so much experience about how to handle practical situations in networking using different complex switches, routers and PCs. Here I have shown you a simple one just to explain how it is done, but I dealt with some complex problems to highly enrich my knowledge about networking. Thank you. Hope this video seems productive for you.